Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to will learn more about Google Sheets. And today for the opening of this video, I would like to show you the basic things that you have to know, the basic thing that you have to learn about Google Sheets. So first thing we have to do here is just go open the Google Sheet application, and the basic thing that I would like to show you is creating the new documents. Okay, so for using this Google Sheet, you need to create the new documents before you work on it. So how to create the documents, you just need to go click this plus button on your Google Sheets application. After that, you just need to type the name of the documents that you want to work to. For example, you want to work this for a project. Okay, you can just name it as a project 2 or project 3, project 1, anything. And after you're done with the name of the file, just need to click create. So that is the basic thing. And after that, I would like to introduce you about what will you work with on a Google Sheet. So when you work with Google Sheet, you will work in a cells. You will work with cells. And what cells exactly? Cells is the combinations between the columns. So the column will be signed with the alphabet like A, B, C, D, and etc. This calls columns. And rows. Rows will be titled with a number. So 1, 2, 3, and etc. will be rows. Okay. So what is cell? Cell is this. Cell is the combination between column A and rows 1. We call it as cells A1s. And this one will be called as cells B1s. And this will be called as cells A5. Okay, so that's the basic thing that you should know. And how to learn more about the Google Sheet, you can just go into these 3 small dots, and after that go into the help and feedback. From this help and feedback, you will find out everything help researches that you need. You can just type here about what you want to know about Google Sheet. If you're wondering how to edit and format the spreadsheet, just need to click it, and this will be guide you about the tutorial how to edit data in a cell. So I hope this tutorial today is got you so well, guys. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.